Turning now to the blustery conditions this afternoon on this impact weather day. You're taking a live look at our Jupiter Beach Resort camera as we are under a wind advisory, coastal flood warning, and a high rip current risk.
A lot to get to. We have team weather coverage for you this afternoon. First warning, meteorologists Glenn Glazer and Vanessa Vanette tracking how the wind and rain will impact your day. We begin with Glenn.
Thanks, Stephen. You know, I'm glad we have these sky cameras all over the place in our viewing area because it really makes it much easier to see how rough the conditions are. I want to also mention there is a gale warning along the coast. Gale force winds are tropical storm force winds coming in along the coast. So it is very, very dangerous to do anything in the ocean right now. And even on land, we're seeing those very gusty winds impacting high profile vehicles, holiday decorations blowing all over the place. Just be really careful when you're out and about today. Current winds coming in out of the northeast. We'll see a more easterly shift over the next few days, but those winds are carrying in some fast-moving showers, especially in Palm Beach County, where we're seeing not really heavy rainfall, but it's sort of repetitive, so it is kind of a soaking rain when it keeps raining in the same spots over and over again, everywhere from Lake Clark Shores down to Boca and Deerfield and up to Riviera Beach and Mangonia Park. Just isolated showers around Jensen Beach right now, Port St. Lucie, and up around Vero Beach and Florida Ridge. Let's take a look at temperatures. We've got temperatures that are in the low 70s from Sebastian to Palm City to Okeechobee and down to Indiantown. And we've also got low 70s all the way south in Palm Beach County now because of that rain-cooled air. So my cousin texted me this morning and she said, how long is it going to be this windy? I said, let's ask Vanessa Vanette about that because she's been talking about it all morning long.
Oh, yeah. And this trend is going to continue for the next couple of days. We're talking about strong winds over 35 miles per hour, sustained winds anywhere between 25 to 35 miles per hour. And that's what we've been dealing with all morning long. And tropical storm wind gusts over 40 miles per hour for today, tomorrow. We saw that earlier today, up to 45 in Boca Raton, even 46 in West Palm Beach. So on Saturday and Sunday, still blustery. We'll see those wind speeds anywhere between 25 to 35 miles per hour. We'll see a couple light showers pretty much all day long today with those on and off showers, breezy conditions today and tomorrow. Hour by hour forecast, comfortable temperatures in the lower 70s, just windy all day long with that impact weather going on at least until Sunday morning due to the potential for some heavy rains moving in on Saturday. And those windy conditions will be sticking around at least for the next 72 hours. We'll have more details on the Saturday weather coming up in about 15 to 20 minutes.
Thank you, Vanessa. Well, because of this weather, Clematis by Night in downtown West Palm Beach has been canceled. The Ferris wheel and Paradise Island are also closed. However, the Sandy Tree shows will still play as planned from 6 to 10 tonight.
You can stay on top of all these changing conditions with our WPBF 25 News app. There you can find the latest forecasts and sign up for alerts to be ready for any impact weather in our area.